Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Earth signs. Okay, so let's see. Will they reach out? Bago mag-end ang May. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Kung meron kayong mga tanong pagdating sa ating mga items, no? So, yes, we do have the protection from evil eye. Protection sa mga binabato sa ating negativities. Okay? Kaya nasasabotahin ng iba. Yes. And, syempre, yung ating love bracelet. So, pwede to sa singles and pwede rin yung pwede yan sa may mga conflict. Okay? So, siya yung mag-fix no, kung ano man kailangang i-fix sa situation ninyo in love. And, syempre, yung ating tawag dito, granter. Okay, si granter necklace, yung tagapag-grant ng mga minamanifest. Okay, and syempre, tagapagbigay ng surprises. And, yung ating cord cut. Okay, si cord cutting, pag-alis ng hindi na kailangang energy na nakakapit pa sa'yo, kaya ikaw itong nahihirapang umusad. Ha? Okay. So, bumibigat yung energy kung ganon. Kahit ano pang gawin na action. So, si cord cut yung kailangan. Okay. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see, will they reach out? So, sino ba itong taong to? Earth signs. Sino itong taong ite? Okay, the Seven of Pentacles. You're waiting for them, some of you. You're still expecting. Yeah. Could be an earth sign like you. Yeah, the King of Pentacles. Some of them, they're too busy. They're too focused on their career, on their work, business if ever. Okay, some of them, may chance na merong tinalikuran. Okay? Tinalikuran na responsibilidad. I don't know. May tinalikuran na responsibilidad. Okay? So, sandali lamang po ha. Sandali lang. Okay. So, let's see. What else? Tingnan natin, ano bang situation. Some of them, they're a businessman, a businesswoman. May sarili silang mga pinagkakakitaan. Parang ganyan. Some of them, they're too busy in general. Okay. Iba dito, specific, may iniintay kang suporta. Oo, sabihin nating tulong or help from them. Anong situation niya? Okay, the Page of Cups. The Tower in reversed. Ma-ego, no? Ma-pride. Itong taong to. Yeah, the King of Wands. Parang ano kailangan ikaw pa yung talagang lalapit sa kanya. Okay? Anyway. Ang nakikita ko rin dito kasi, Earth signs. Unahin muna natin to. Sige, unahin muna natin tong isang energy na nakikita ko dito. Yung una. Okay. Some of them, wala silang panahon sa mga bagay na patwitams. Okay? Wala silang panahon sa bagay na mga, I don't know, by patwitams. No? Para silang, masyado akong busy for this. Parang ganon. Masyado akong busy kung maatupagin ko to. Dapat siya na lang ang kumusa. Like you. Ikaw na lang daw ang kumusa na lumapit sa kanya. Some of them, alam nilang kailangan lang humingi ng sorry sa'yo pero hindi nila gagawin. Hindi nila gagawin yun. So, let's see. Okay. Tingnan muna natin yung isa na nakita ko. Some of you, this is you. This is your energy, your signs. Okay? May chance na ikaw itong nagpapaka-strong. Ikaw itong sabihin nating guarded sa kanya. Gusto ka niyang, itong taong to, gusto ka. Okay? Hindi nila magawang i-avoid ka. You're too strong. You're too guarded. Yeah, itong taong to, sabihin kong crush ka. Mayroong energy na ganon. Okay? They like you. Pero hindi nila alam kung paano kayo i-approach. O siguro, this is for a cross-watcher. Yeah, some of them, they're still waiting for you an answer or whatsoever. Let's see what is there, may chance ba na mag-reach out? Okay, if this is sa cross-watcher ng earth signs, tingnan natin kung magda-down ng guard itong si earth sign for you. The Six of Cups universe. No. The Ace of Swords universe. The Moon. It's a no. Wala sila daw time for this. I'm sorry. Some of them, this is sabihin natin coming from a trauma. Okay, they could be, itong si earth sign, sa mga nagko-cross-watch dyan for an earth sign, some of them kasi parang focus ko lang ngayon, pera, or kung ano mang mga kailangan pag-focusan, ayoko na muna. Parang ganyan. Okay, so kung ito naman yung tao na naghihintay ka ng kung ano man, tulong, kung ano man, child support, they're not open. Okay? Hindi ko nakikitang magme-message sa'yo to. Kahit sabihin natin merong mga bata na maapektuhan. Okay? They're too, ma-ego, ma-pride. Okay? Meron silang soft side, I guess. Some of you, pwedeng babae to. Oo, pwedeng babae. Kung ang hinihingi mo is makita mo yung anak nyo, hindi ko nakikita yun. Na pwede niyang ipakita sa'yo yung anak nyo. Kaya ko to, kahit babae ako. Parang ganon. Kaya ko to, hindi mo kailangan kumonect na sa anak natin. Parang ganyan. Okay? Wala eh. Super. Okay. Andun yung bitterness. Pero alam ng taong to na malungkot. Malungkot yung connection or malungkot yung situation ninyo sa ngayon. Alam niya na pwedeng madama yung anak. This is specific. I'm talking to some of you. Okay? Na nakaka-resonate. So, kung ikaw naman yung parang kino-cross-watch, no? Ikaw yung parang ginugusto ng tao. Sabi ko kanina, hindi nila alam kung paano ka i-approach. They're too afraid to approach you. So, what else? Earth signs. What else for earth signs? So, sino ba ite? Sino to? Itong taong to na hinihintay mo mag-reach out? Will they reach out bago mag-end ang May? The High Priestess universe. Some of them, sabihin natin may pagka-AB normal. No, not for all. They see things. Okay? Na hindi nakikita ng iba. Okay. So, what's with that High Priestess universe? Yeah, the World universe. So, you have here unfinished business with this person. You want answers from them. You want clarity. Okay? Could be a fixed sign. Yeah, the Sun. Itong taong to, sabihin natin, yung energy niya is magnetic. Okay? Anyway, so, kailangan mo ng sagot from them. Kailangan mo ng paliwanag from them. Let's see. There's unfinished business. So, what is their situation right now? The Chariot universe. The Knight of Pentacles. Some of them, pagdating sa kaperahan, hindi ganoon na umuusad. Yeah. Some of them, hindi pa rin totally nakaka-move on din sa situation ninyo. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. The King of Swords universe is here. Some of them, they're angry. They're mad at you. Okay, they're trying to focus on moving on instead na makipag-ayos sa'yo. I don't know why. Okay? Let's see. May chance ba na mag-reach out pa? The Devil in reverse. The Fool. No. No. The Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Hindi nila para to bigyang pansin, bigyang focus. Some of them, they're open na pagdating sa mga bagong energy. Okay? Pera. Could be. Okay? Gustuhin man niya. Pero parang wala naman eh. Wala na rin namang mangyayari kung susubukan. Okay? Yeah. The Queen of Cups in reverse. The Eight of Pentacles. No, the Eight of Cups in reverse. And the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Gustuhin man ng taong to na kumonek. Some of you, there could be third party involved. Okay? Yes, hindi pa siya nakaka-move on from this. Nahihirapan siyang mag-move on, pero they're trying. Natalikuran ka na. Okay? Sabihin mo man na nagiging makasarili siya. Pero yun ang kailangan. Ayun ang nakikita ko dito. Kailangan mo ng sagot from them. So, gawin mo na tong closure. Tong reading na to. Gawin mo ng closure to. If you're waiting for them. If you're waiting for an answer. Okay? Or pwedeng, yeah, vice versa. Anyway, so there, yeah. Yan ang aking reading for you, Earth signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.